Here we go. Tesla. Let's take a look at technical analysis. These are all EMAs, exponential moving average. My focus will go in there. All right, so the big run up, let's go back. This is the daily chart, November. Of course, we're climbing 238. Look at these bounces, 358, 309, all the way to 488.54. Then we start to, slowly go down. People are like, oh, it's okay. Okay, we're hanging in there, blah, blah, blah. We're hanging. No, we're 325. You're not hanging. You're losing. Then we're going down to 217, the big wash down. All right, did have a little bounce here to 288, but look what's coming across. Mr. 200-day exponential moving averages. All these moving averages here, too. You can't get over that. It tried again, 288, 284, and now we're going down again, 239. So that's where we're at. Let me get my cursor. So, we moved up here very high, overbought. We come down, crossing down now. Yeah, this looks better than most on the indicators, but that doesn't say that much right now. Let's see. All right, 2 years on Tesla. Yeah, going back. Remember, this was like 2023, 299, 138. We bounced 271. Really, in August, that was the last pretty much low. And then we start to take off, get these bounces, these rips, low, high. There's the shooting star wick. When you see a wick like this on the top of a chart, from bottom to top, that is a selling candle. And there's a cross, too. And then look what happened. You go down. So that was the peak. And what was that? After December? Now, you have all these moving averages converging. It's trying to hold on deeply to this 230.67. There's the 200-day moving average. See it touched. We're right at it again. Will we go below it at this point? I mean, we're right there. We need maybe one final flush, 37.21 RSI. 24.11 money flow, very low. 13.49 stochastics, hovering low. And then CCI, to see it did come up there, minus 118.38, the start from that low. So that is the big question. Will we hold there? Let's look at the monthly, if we get anything here. Let me go deeper than this. 10 years Tesla. So going back to 2020 Tesla. Imagine buying Tesla for $10. Jesus. That's why they say invest long term, in certain things. Of course, it's got to be a good quality company. 23, 300, 182, 414. Then that big drop in 2022. And then this didn't really come out of it till 2024. Draw your line right here. Finally broke over, you say 200. And there's that shooting star wick. Now, you see here, big mountaintop, lower. That's a straight stochastics down, red over white. So red over green, excuse me. I don't like that because it's still going down. Everything else is like hovering sideways. Lows, 23.37, 101.81, 138 will be the next low. 175, 200-ish. 200, or excuse me, the 50-day moving average is blue. 100-day moving average, 174.16. This is the 150. There's no 200 on here. So you have three big monthly red candles. 227.95 is the next line. Then you have 200. I think we're going to break that at this point. I'm looking here. So you're going straight down. So you had a crossover here. You want a monthly crossover. We haven't had it yet. That tells me lower. So right now, let's say 200 to 227. I'm looking at that right there. 200 to 227. Then we'll go from there. If we break 200, I would say 175. I don't think 117 we're going that low. So that'll be my first range, 227, 200, and then 174, depending on the market. So that's it. Tesla put in some big moves, big mountaintops and drops. Another big mountaintop, 488.54. We're not going to get anywhere close to that anytime soon. And we'll see what happens next week. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kimman Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. Appreciate it. Mike J Trades on X. Mike Kimman Trades Instagram, Facebook, Threads. Of course, TikTok. What else, man? Rumble. Check it out for stock information.